Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to effectively fish the wacky worm in summer months. And it'll help you catch a lot more fish. So hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So what I do in the thick of the summertime is look for these bluegill beds. It's early July still. End June, early July, you see all these bluegill beds. Oh, there goes a bass right there just roaming. God, I'm interested. Let's see if I can get a... I just look for bluegill beds and just try to find the fish that are roaming. Like that. Okay. Okay, buddy. Come here, you're almost here. I'm gonna slip and fall, man. I'm gonna bust my stuff. Oh, it's slippery, man. It's muddy right here. Whew. That's what I'm saying. Bluegill bed. Look for the bluegill bed. There'll be bass just chilling. Just roaming. Nice. It's another 3-pounder. Look for the bluegill beds. Alright, thanks for the battle. That's a big bass. Okay. Alright, thank you for the battle. That's a nice one. Got him on the wacky worm. Sweet. Thanks for the battle. Nice 4-pounder. So yeah, bluegill beds. And then there should be roaming bass right on the outsides. They're coming in real shallow. And that's pretty much how I'm been catching them. So what I'm using today is just your standard wacky worm on a trocar wacky hook. I think it's a 1/0 maybe. I don't know, trocar wacky hook. Carolina pumpkin with a chartreuse tip. Yum dinger. A 4-inch. I got 8-pound mono on a medium light rod. Pretty simple for that summertime bite. So what I do is let it sink a little bit, and then I just start twitching the rod tip and let it flutter. So it almost looks like a butterfly moving in the water. And that butterfly flutter action really gets them fired up. Nope, she might not bite. That's a big one. What an epic battle this is if this fish is still on here. Golly, dude. What a battle that was. Holy smokes. What an awesome fish. Found some more bluegill beds and there's a bunch of big bass just chilling right here. There was another one with it that was like the same size. Oh wow, what a fatty. Alright. Thank you for the battle. Seems like a fish. Okay. I'll unhook you, buddy. You just give me a shot here. Sweet, it's another good one. Nice. Still just hammering these bluegill beds. What a great fish that was. Awesome. Thanks for the battle, buddy.